Today I'm going to be having a play with the DJI OM4. It's a mobile gimbal. I've popped my mobile phone on there. We've come out to this damp woodland to see exactly what it can do. The great thing about the OM4 is just how small it is. Super easy to carry about. It doesn't have this big phone clamp on it. So this is it. This is what you need. It simply flicks up like that and that's your gimbal ready to go. Now this, in comparison to the OM3, doesn't have that big phone grip here. It's simply a magnet system. Now in the box you do get a small magnet plate which you can actually stick to the back of your phone if you'd like, and it comes with an alignment guide to make sure it's in exactly the right place. I, however, am using the clamp that comes with this. It's a very small clamp on the back of your phone. It's really nice and easy to use. Over the years, there's been so many of this type of phone clamp for all different devices, and actually I think this is the nicest design one I've seen. Now all you have to do is on the little magnet here, it says DJI, and on here it says DJI, and you just line them up and it clicks together. It's a really strong magnet, and that's your phone ready to go. Then all you have to do is press the on button, hold it, and it will align your phone ready to go, ready to be a gimbal. To get the most out of the OM4, you'll want to be using the DJI Mimo app. Now, this will allow you to do loads of different things. It'll access all different settings. You'll be able to program all different things into the gimbal, and you'll be able to select whether you want things like hyperlapse, panoramic shots, photo, video, or active track, one of my personal favorites. You simply swipe across the screen exactly where your subject is, and the phone will then follow that subject. So this is how you use the active track mode. You just select your subject by drawing a square, so that's now on Tom, and I can then lock that field of view and it will try and stay on Tom like that. Now I'm going to turn this to the side because it makes it easier to run with. I can set it up exactly where I want Tom, press record, and then Tom, you start running. There's so many thorns. In the box with the OM4, you'll get a nice velvety looking case, so it's easy to carry around and throw in your bag. You'll also get this, which is a little set of tripod legs. There's a little thread in here, so you just put it in, twist it on like that, and then you've got an extra grip, so if you're doing selfie stuff, you can get it nice and far away from you, or you can put these out like this, and it's an easy one to stand up. And then you can start doing some cool photo modes. So I'm now walking out of the forest trying to get something a little bit less muddy, and I thought this is a really good time to try the hyperlapse setting. You just select it in the app and this allows you to sort of condense movement and time to create a really fast-paced video. So I'm going to just do a little bit of walking, set it on hyperlapse to show you guys what I mean. It's not just hyperlapse you can shoot with the OM4 using the DJI Mimo app. You can also shoot time-lapse and you can shoot motion-lapse. Now motion-lapse is basically a time-lapse, so you can put in all of your increments of time that you want it to take images to put together into that video, but it'll also allow you to create a path on the screen of how you want the gimbal to move. You can set 4 points, and during your time-lapse, the gimbal will move slightly, so you get this really beautiful motion as you're creating your time-lapse. Now, it's such a grey, horrible day, so I'm really glad when this first got delivered, had a bit better weather, and I tried out the time-lapse and the motion-lapse mode for you, so this is what they can do. Now you don't just have to use the OM4 for video, it's great for stills as well. And in fact, you can select it to create a 240-degree panorama so you can get beautiful wide shots, or you can do a 3x3. You simply select it on the camera, plop this down, and it will just move 3x3 grid and give you this nice massive image that a phone would normally struggle to get. So if you're on holiday or you're going to a stunning beautiful place, the OM4 is something great to have in the bag for video and stills, just to grab things that you wouldn't normally be able to get. The OM4 certainly is a powerful little device, and I can't wait to shoot some more with it. If you guys want to know more about it, there's a link in the description to our website. You can check out all the info there, or of course give us a call, send us an email, put a comment below. We'll try our best to get back to you with all the information that you could need. Don't forget, we do loads of this sort of stuff on the channel, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. But for now, a big thank you for watching.